Hey, there's something that looks gorgeous. Let's go see what it is. I don't know why, but I want to destroy everything here. I feel like I need to break everything.
What?
Oh no! There's a giant bull coming to destroy our home! Run, everyone! Let's all run away together!
That giant bull has broken our lives. What should we do now?
It looked really serious, but we can't do anything unkind to him. Then what can we do to help change him?
I know what to do now. This time, we need to ask Supercow for help.
Let's go, everyone. We need to ask Supercow for help. Let's all go together.
You're all right, everyone. Let's go to Supercow. Then she will sort out this problem.
What happened, everyone? Why do you all have such long faces? Just tell me first.
Supercow, we don't know why the bull was acting so mean. He destroyed our homes. We need your help to save him.
Okay, I'll take care of him. No worries. Don't worry about him.
Thank you so much, Supercow. You saved me. I didn't do all of this on purpose.
It's okay, Bull. Let's all be happy together. Bye, everyone. See you again.
Hit the like button and subscribe!
Wow, I finally found you. I'm not leaving you alone.
What?
I'm here. I won't leave you.
No way!
What's going on, dude? Why are you panicking like that?
Black Angus is coming. We need to move from here.
What?
Stop following us for now, okay?
No, I really can't leave you.
What?
I'll stay here. You go and tell Supercow to help.
Help! 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 Help!
Something's not right. I'm going to check it out.
Help! 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 Help!
What's wrong, my dear?
My friend is in danger. Please help them.
You stay here. I'll go bring her back safely.
Okay.
I've got an idea. With this stone, we can make sure the cow is saved, no matter what.
What?
Thank you so much, Supercow.
It's all right. Just be careful, my dears.
Let's go and save them.
What happened?
The rough bull is bothering the farm folks. Please help save them.
very much!
Let's take a little nap for a while.
Look at that beautiful bug over there. Let's go catch it. I think I might have lost my way home. Can we stop for a drink of water? I'll just rest here for a bit.
I had a really restful sleep here.
What?
Let's go find some help.
What's wrong, Mr. Lion?
I lost my cub. Can you help me?
Okay.
Thank you so much, Super Bull.